Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to turn on TikTok's restricted mode. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile. Now tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy to access your settings. Scroll down and tap on Content Preferences to open content-related settings. Next, tap on Restricted Mode to manage the content restriction settings. Now tap on Turn On to activate Restricted Mode, and you will be prompted to set a passcode for extra security. Enter the passcode once, then enter it again to confirm. Finally, select the reason for turning on Restricted Mode from the options provided. If you want to disable Restricted Mode later, simply follow the same steps and turn it off. And that's it. Restricted Mode is now enabled on your TikTok account. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.